Today I'm giving you the only 5 exercise moves that you need to lose weight, build muscle and look like a chiseled statue. Like David. And guess what? You can do them all from your living room. So no gym, no excuses and no crying. Okay, maybe a little bit of crying. So let's get straight into it. The first move is running. It's running, isn't it? He's going to say running. Say running. Say it. Do you want to go hit a 5k or a 10k? You know, my last run, I got 500 kudos, right? No, cardio dad, it's not running, but it will get your heart racing. The first move is the burpee. Ah, you knew it was coming, didn't you? You squat, you plank, you push up, you jump. And you regret your life choices, but burpees work. Burpees hit your legs, chest, arms, and your soul. Let me show you how we do them. Start slow, focus on form, and remember, every burpee brings you closer to your goal, as horrible as they are. Now, if the burpee wasn't tough enough for you, you could look at some variations like the Navy SEAL, which adds 2 leg crunches and 2 extra push-ups to every maneuver. Next, the classic push-up. This move is like the beans on toast of fitness. It's basic, it's reliable, and it's still kind of impressive. Beans on toast slaps. The push-up hits your chest, shoulders, tricep, and your ego. This is how you do them. Can't do a full one yet? No problem. Do a knee push-up. No one's judging you. Well, maybe your dog. He's definitely judging you. There's plenty of variation with a push-up. From the diamond push-up that focuses on your triceps, to the spider push-ups, to even a wide or a narrow push-up. This is why it's on the list. Third up, squats. The please don't let my knees crack, I need to walk for the rest of my life movement. You ever heard the saying, never skip leg day? This is the move that birthed the phrase and made even the strongest struggle to walk the next day. Squats build your glutes, quads and hamstrings and go something like this. Squats will make you a functional human and really aid you later in life. You'll finally be able to pick up all your groceries without moaning, ever again. Fourth is the flutter kicks. Oh look, a core exercise, aka it's about to burn. Add this move into your day and you'll have a core that even Hugh Jackman will be jealous of. This is how you do them. Now, these little kicks might look innocent, but after about 20 seconds, your abs are going to start sending you some SOS signals. You just need to tell your abs that it'll be worth it someday in the future. Now, there's not a lot of variation to the flutter kicks. However, you could try some alternating jackknives if you want to try something a bit different and maybe your core wants a bit more punishment. How cruel. And finally, the plank. It's not flashy and it's not fun, but it'll make your core rock hard and your arms tremble. That's what we're here for, right? Right? The key is tension, so squeeze everything. Abs, glutes, legs. Basically, imagine the floor below your core is lava. In terms of variation, you could easily add some shoulder taps in here. You could modify it into a commando push-up or get those legs involved for a mountain climber. Either way, your core is going to be rock hard. Okay, so let's recap. Your 5 moves to glory are burpees, 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups, 10 to 20 reps. Squats, 15 to 20 reps. Flutter kicks, 30 to 60 seconds. And finally, the plank, 30 to 60 seconds. Do this for 3 to 4 rounds and then rest afterwards. Or when you can no longer form words. And don't forget to smile. And that's it. Just 5 moves between you and the best shape of your life. No gym, no gear, just pain, sweat, and questionable breathing noises. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more of this and more workouts that make you question reality. And let me know in the comment section which of those exercises hurt your soul the most. Train, laugh, repeat. See you soon.